Good morning, class. As we have started with chapter 7, that was haircut, and we have written hard words and word meaning and answer the following questions. Now today we are going to start with answer the questions about this line from the story. In other words, we can say it as who said to whom. That is, we have been given a single line from the story in itself. We have to write the answers of some of the questions which are being given based on that line only. Now, the line is, where did these come from? He asked himself, looking bemused. Looking bemused means looking confused. This line was said by DNP. Now, in this line, the speaker is saying, where did these come from? Where did these were referred to as being coins in this. These were the coins when DNP was sleeping. I hope you all remember the story. Now let me explain you this line only. Now, as when DNP was going to buy some vegetables for his lunch, after that, when DNP was tired, he sat on an empty bench sleeping on that empty bench. When DNP was sleeping, some people passing by have put some of the coins in his cap, thinking that he was a tramp. This was the line which we have been given from the story. And after waking up from his sleep and seeing the coins in his cap, DNP was a bit confused. That is, DNP was puzzled in itself. Who have put these coins in his cap, which was kept on his lap? Now, let us start with the answer the question about this line from the story. Now, as I have already told you that today we are going to start with who said to whom. That is, answer the question about this line from the story. We are going to do this in our notebooks today. Now, first of all, what you all are going to do is put today's date, classwork and the heading. Put serial number 2. Answer the questions about this line from the story. You have to write this heading and underline it. Now, the line which we have been given is, where did these come from? He asked himself, looking bemused. Looking bemused means looking puzzled, confused. As DNP was confused when he saw those coins which were there in his cap when he slept on an empty bench. The people thinking that he was a tramp, they put in the coins in his cap. Okay, now let us move to the first question which is being asked from this line. Question is, who said these words and where? This question is saying that who said. You have to write the name of who said these lines and from where. Where did he say this line? I hope you all remember that DNP has said this line and he said this while sitting on an empty bench. Answer for this is, DNP said these words while he was sitting and sleeping on the empty bench. Now, as I have told this, that these lines are being said by DNP and as he was sitting and sleeping on an empty bench. When he was sitting and sleeping there, he said these lines. Now, let me repeat the question. Who said these words and where? Answer for this is, DNP said these words while he was sitting and sleeping on the empty bench. Now, let us move to question B. Question B is, what is referred to by these? This question is saying what it referred to by these. These are referred to the coins which were there in the cap. Now, as people were thinking that DNP was a tramp who was sitting there on an empty bench, so thinking that he was a tramp, passing by people put some of the coins in DNP's cap. So, what is referred to by these? These are referred to the coins which were there in the cap. Those were the coins which were there. I hope these two answers are clear to all of you. Now let us move to question C. Why did the speaker look bemused? This question is saying, why was the speaker? That was DNP, as DNP was the speaker of these lines. So DNP was looking confused. Why was he confused? Now, answer for this is, the speaker looked bemused because these coins were not there before. He thought, from where did they come in? While he was sitting and sleeping on that empty bench, he was not having a single coin in his cap. While he sat there, he was also not having a single coin in that cap before. And when he wake up from his sleep on an empty bench, he saw that there were some coins in his cap which were placed there. And he was confused because he was thinking, who have put there the coins? And you all remember that these coins were being put by the people passing by, thinking that DNP was a tramp. Now let me repeat the question. Question C is, why did the speaker look bemused? Answer for this is, the speaker looked bemused because these coins were not there before. He thought, from where did they come in? Now I hope this answer is now clear to all of you. Now let us move to question D. This is the last question of this. Who said the answer the questions about this line from the story. Question D is, what did the speaker decide to do because of this incident? Now first let me tell you the incident. The incident here was when he was sitting and sleeping on an empty bench. People thinking that he was a tramp, they have put there some coins in his cap. This was the incident. The question is saying that the speaker decided to do. After seeing the coins there in the cap, what did the speaker decided to do? This is what did DNP decided to do after looking the coins in his cap. Now I hope the question is clear. Let us move to answer. After this incident, DNP decided to get a new look as people thought him to be a tramp. After seeing the coins in his cap, DNP decided to get a trim in his beard, in his heavy beard, so that people would not think him to be a tramp. Now let us repeat the question. What did the speaker decide to do because of this incident? Answer. After this incident, DNP decided to get a new look as people thought him to be a tramp. Now, first of all, put the heading, write this line using black pen only, write the questions using black pen and the answers using blue pen. After writing the D answer, form a line, and what you all have to do after writing D is, after writing question D, you have to complete your index. Count the number of pages till where you have completed. As I have completed on my page number 49, I have written it here. Count your number of pages till where you have completed the chapter. Now, homework for you all is to learn the question and answer of this chapter 7 haircut thoroughly. Thank you.